definitely thickened back up.
Pretty brown eyes, you're my pretty brown eyes. They all know you and they want you.
Hey everybody, it's Ivy, and today I'm going to be doing a hair update and also a silk press tutorial. It's really simple how I get my hair really nice and silky and bouncy like this. I just got through washing and conditioning my hair. I like to mold down my hair first, and then I let it air dry kind of like halfway. And I do my baby hairs and everything and lay everything down. That way once I'm ready to blow dry, everything's a little bit more seamless. So all of this is like dry. The only thing that's really wet still is my little ponytail. And I would have to say that my hair has been doing really good, you guys. It's still really, really wet. I did give myself, look at all the water coming off. I did give myself a chop. I think I did it in like mid-February, I think. I cut off all of the damage that were on my ends. And ever since then, my hair has been growing back out really well. It hasn't been shedding as much. I do still have like heat damage right here from having like leave outs and stuff. And I can't do anything but let that grow out and cut it slowly. To minimize damage, like I said, I do like to let my hair dry like halfway, and then I finish with my blow dryer. This is the blow dryer I love using. This is my Infinity Pro by Conair, and mine's a little beat up because it's dirt old, you guys. And I think I got this from Target for about 15 or 16 bucks. I have heat protectant on my hair, but it's not in here, so I'll show you guys what protectant I use in the next clip. I like to put my blow dryer on low at first and blow dry my hair out. My hair feels pretty dry. It's a few wet spots. What I like to do is take my paddle brush and kind of detangle at this point some more. And now I'm going to actually go in with my blow dryer on hot heat. That way I can kind of straighten out my hair a little bit more, so my flat irons won't have a lot of work to do. And now we're going to switch this to high. I'm going to insert some clips, if I still have it, of how my hair looked a few months ago. It definitely looks fuller. It's not see-through. And you guys always ask me, Ivy, what color do you color your hair with? My natural hair is this black, y'all. I don't know why it's this black. I swear I don't color my hair. So now I'm going to go into the front on high and just continue to press it out a little bit more. Now my hair is pretty much ready for flat ironing, and I'm going to come back and show you guys exactly what flat iron I use and how I get my hair nice and straight. And you guys see how much my hair looks much thicker. Like, it's growing back out really good. I'm so happy about that. So lately I've been using the Silk Elements Luxury Moisturizing Shampoo with shea and silk, and I've also been using the Mega Silk Olive Conditioner with avocado and silk. And you can get both of these at Sally's Beauty Supply. Like, they make my hair feel so soft and bouncy. And actually, since I've been using this shampoo, my scalp hasn't been as flaky and dry, so definitely love this. And my leave-in conditioner, I've been using this Hawaiian Silky 4-in-1 apple cider vinegar static free leave-in conditioner with black castor oil. I really love this product. I don't know if this has been helping my hair not shed as much, but I definitely love this. It makes my hair feel soft as well, and it doesn't smell like apple cider vinegar, like, which I love. And I was telling you guys I have a heat protectant and serum that I use on my hair when I'm straightening it or blow drying it, and it's the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum. I really love this. This is an oldie but goodie. I've been using this for years on my hair. It's really nice. It gives your hair a very nice healthy shine. So when you guys are always asking me, Ivy, how did you get your hair so shiny? It's probably this stuff. And the oil that I've been using in my braids, like when my hair is braided down with wigs, is my Wild Growth hair oil. The one in the green and white bottle. This is the one I like. I don't like the yellow one. Yellow and red or yellow and green. no, I don't like that one. That one makes my scalp itch. Before I actually go in a flat iron, I like to do 2 more pumps of the serum. And I like to apply that like to the end, because I feel like these are the parts of my hair that, you know, static together or puff up. And then whatever remaining, I just, you know, rub it all throughout my hair. And this stuff smells really good as well. So to begin the flat ironing process, I just put all my hair up into a ponytail like this, and I just use like one clip, part off one section. And the flat iron I'm using is my Cortex flat iron, and I know it looks beat up, it's super old, you guys. Like, I actually have 2 of them, so this is what it will look like, and I literally only have to do like 1 pass. Sometimes I might do 2, but woo, my hair holds heat, honey. So I just wanted to talk to you guys just a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed my last video that I put up. The one with using the crayon case. I seen, you know what, that video was getting a lot of drama, and I'm not sure why. For some reason, people thought I was copying another YouTuber, which I wasn't. This YouTuber is amazing. I just started following her literally after all the drama that I've seen. I just started following her, and she's like so dope. But I just don't like how people will try to pin 2 talented black women against each other. Like, don't go to her page and say, oh, there's this other YouTuber, Ivy Powell, Ivy Deer, whatever. There's this other YouTuber, Ivy Deer, and she's stealing your ideas. And every time you do bright hair, she does bright hair. And every time you do this, she does it. Y'all gotta chill. Like, y'all stay trying to create drama between content creators. Like, why would I steal from somebody, you guys? And if I did get inspiration from somebody, I would definitely credit them. I've done it in the past. Like, if I get an idea from, let's just say, freaking, I don't know, if I get an idea from Lakia or from Jackie or whoever, or Malibu, I'm gonna credit them. I would never sit there and just take somebody's ideas and not give them credit for it. Like, that's not even my style. I don't do that. And if my hair was inspired by her, I would have said, hey y'all, my hair is inspired by this YouTuber, blah 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 blah, check her out. So I really didn't appreciate that. And like, what YouTube is turning into is really kind of like turning me off from it. Like, it's summertime, a lot of people do bright looks, a lot of people do bright makeup. It's not that complex. Pink hair is very popular. Like, who cares if 2 people do similar looks? Me and Malibu do it all the time, and just because we're friends, y'all don't try that shit. And that's probably because when the seasons change, people just do similar looks, you know? Yeah, so don't ever try to do that just because y'all see somebody with something similar. And then nothing is brand new. Like, everybody has done something before. And I'm sorry, I have my flat iron set to 400 degrees. Everybody has taken something from somebody before. Like, nobody comes up with brand new spanking ideas. And for you guys to go in, for some of y'all to go in about my hair and then try to say I stole her makeup, like, come on, you guys. I don't even do looks like this. And I was sitting there trying to think about something bold to do. And after I messed up my cut crease, that's when I thought, hey, let me go in with this glitter. I was in no way copying her at all, like, at all. Stuff like that really bothers me because I'm definitely not a copying bitch. Even though I'm not at like 1 million on YouTube, I still take what I do seriously. I don't like people that steal ideas and don't credit somebody. Like, I would never do anything like that. And I want y'all to know that. And know it, internalize it, and eat it. Because I would never steal from nobody. So y'all need to stop. And y'all got a problem with me doing colored hair, bright colored eyeshadow. Be mad because I'm going to do it again and again and again.
Again and again, okay?
You seen so and so with a similar look, then oh well. And then people were saying I'm trying to be shady to Super, like I was giving an honest, non-biased review. Now if I would have been biased, I would have said everything was wonderful about it and everything is this, just because I like Super and just because I follow her on social media. Like when I drop my eyelash line, I want to hear the good and the bad about it so I can improve, okay? I don't want just dick riders telling me everything is great when it's not. Like, y'all gotta chill on that. Yeah, so that had me kind of tight, and I'm just like, this is why I don't jump and do a whole lot of super trendy videos. People had things to say about the timing of my video. They like, oh my god, Ivy, you so late. Well, bitch, they just got back in stock. The palettes literally just got back in stock. I've been stalking the crayon case for a long time. People just like, oh, you late. We done seen videos on this already. So what? When Rihanna's Savage line came out, I was one of the first people to do it. But I still watch people's videos that uploaded a Savage lingerie review yesterday. And I didn't comment on anything. I did it first. You're too late. You're this, you're that. Like, y'all hella petty. Like, and I'm not speaking to all my subscribers. I don't even know who these fake love subscribers were, but ugh. So over it. And now whenever I see all that BS, I'm just gonna block you. Block.
Blockity block. See ya.
I'm really not the person to respond to comments no more. Like, I got to a place in my YouTube career where I will block and erase so quick, but I don't like when people try to just be shady for no reason. It's one thing when people get on here and call me apes and monkeys and fat. Like, I erase that, whatever, bitch. But don't try to like ruin my reputation and integrity and all of that stuff. Like, that's too much. And I swear, if people on Super or the Crayon Case page talking about, oh, it's a YouTuber trying to trash you, I'm looking at the video. When did I bash and trash her? Like, y'all ass is too much for me. I got a few more videos to put out, and I'll probably be on another hiatus for some more weeks because I really need like mental clarity from YouTube. I'm not a person, I'm not in competition with nobody. Like, this is my page. I do what I want to do. I've been on YouTube, what is it, 8-9 years now? Y'all, I don't have to steal nothing from nobody. When it comes to this hair game, trust me, I got it. I've created methods, I've perfected methods, and I've taught y'all asses how to sew a damn track on, so don't come for me. I've taught half of y'all how to even put on a wig. Don't come for me, okay? So don't do it. Don't talk to me like I need to steal anything from anybody, because this ain't that. It never has been, ever. Even when you stay to yourself and you ain't in the mix, people steady trying to put you in the mix, you know. My channel is not the shade room. It ain't none of that. Since when can't people do similar looks without it being copied? And since when you can't give your honest opinion on an item because it's made by a popular person on social media? Do y'all know how many times I done ordered stuff from Sephora and my shit came broke? Like, the eyeshadows being broke had nothing to do with me saying that they had a lot of fallout and that the palette isn't really for me because I don't wear looks like this all the time. How does that sound like these are bad quality eyeshadows? I'm saying some of the shadows are chalkier than others. How's it a bad thing? I said that about MAC. I said that about every brand. Like, do y'all know how some of us have been on YouTube years have to like grow our page? I don't care if they only got 100,000 subscribers. When you a YouTuber like me without any access to, you know, all this networking and being besties with these top YouTubers, shout outs and help your page grow fast. Do y'all realize I've done all this on my own? And even though I'm only at almost 500K, I did all this on my own. All of it. And whether I get to 1 million or whether I get the support I deserve, hey, that's all up to God. And that's, you know, I'll see what happens. I just know I've tried. You can look at how many videos I've done. You can look at how many hair videos I've done. Makeup videos. Whether they got 100,000 views or not, they're there. A lot of people choose to only watch drama and bullshit these days. Y'all don't want to learn nothing. Enough of that negative Nancy stuff. I will be having the video on my pink hair coming out. It'll probably come out after this one or before this one, I don't know. I was just kind of redoing a look that I did some years ago, or probably last year. I did like a pink ombre and I just wanted to redo it. That's another way I know y'all don't watch my videos. Y'all saying I'm copying off somebody and I done did this shit a year or two ago. Probably like one of the first black girls to do some pink hair, even like rainbow hair. I've been doing that. I've been doing that before it was a trend on Instagram. Like, I've been did it, I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be cocky, but it's been done, mama. Okay, guys, so I am midway done. And I don't know if you guys can tell if my hair grew or not. It definitely looks like it's grown to me. I know the middle section of my hair has grown so much because this used to be so broken off. Well, I wish I wore a different shirt so you guys can really see the length. But usually after I press my hair, I would just go ahead and like wrap it and leave it wrapped up until the next day. But I actually have to go out somewhere. Trying to open this shirt so y'all can actually see the length. It's definitely thickened back up. Has a nice bounce to it. So I'm very happy about that. And I love not seeing them sheer ends. Like, what? Over the days, my hair actually starts to look thicker because it swells and, you know, all that good stuff. And I actually like it better, like, by the second or third day, because it just looks, like, it'll just look like it's thicker, like I have more hair. Okay, you guys, so that is it. Thanks so much for watching my silk press video. Really easy, really simple. Please don't forget to thumb this up if you love my hair videos, comment below and subscribe. And I will talk to you in the next one.